Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, the Empress Wagwan. So today I have my lovely model with me, Miss Princess, and we are about to do the knotless braids. Now, it is not hard at all. You know I always say that, but I have to tell you it is not hard at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this 84-inch braids, and it's pretty long. Yes, it's pretty long, but I'm gonna cut it in two, cut it in half, however you want to say it, and then you gotta stretch the hair so that everything will become uneven, and then when you're braiding your hair, everything will be seamless and you won't have any hair sticking out your braids. All right, and you have less chances of cutting and trimming anything because everything would be smooth. And then you will also have a longer braid than the 84 divided by 2 is 42. Yeah, so you have a longer braid than 42 inches because you're feeding the braid. Not only that you're feeding the braid, but you're stretching it too. Yes, so look at maths in the thing. All right, so boom, we're ready now. All right, cool. So I'm making 4 different sections for the feeding of that one braid. So 4 different parts for the size that I'm about to do. Okay, and it's not big and it's not medium, it's me large. Is that even a word? Try to get the pieces that you're about to use as even in size as possible. And I'm going to use the Murray's edge waxing. I love this, and it's super whole. It gets all the flyaways in and make everything stay inside the braid. And when you're plaiting it, you won't have any flyaways and everything will blend in with the braid, because that's what you really want. You want everything to look as if your hair is not in there, right? You won't see any bumps, you won't see anything, just the braid. And that's what you use the edge control. I put also shine and jam on the ends so that the ends will blend in with the hair as well. So for those who are new, I gotta do my shameless plug. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Just click that subscribe button right down below and join the family. And for those who have been here, welcome back, and don't forget to share the video, everyone, so that everyone can see what your girl has in store and to be able to bring you more videos so that I could know what you want. Talk to me, let me know how you feeling. So join the family and talk to me in the comment section. All right, also let me know how you're feeling with the Jamaican Creole, the patois, the dialect. Tell me how you're liking it, because I know I have different types of followers and you may all not understand me, but I try to break it down and not go too deep in the patois so that everyone can understand what I'm saying and just hold the vibes. Because when you talk Jamaican and you talk the patois, everything just feels vibesy and airy. So, but if you don't understand and if you want me to translate, let me know in the comments section. All right. Right here I'm showing you how it's done, speeding up the process a little bit more, and so that you could get the feel without me slowing down. Then you'll be able to get the gist of what I'm doing when I'm doing it much slower. All right, so right now, big up to my cameraman, my husband, Mr. Walker. And right now I am zooming in to show you exactly what is going on. So I sectioned the hair in 3 parts, one square in 3 parts, so that you can braid it twice. When you braid it twice, you put one section of the hair in between your thumb and your index finger, and then plait that section in only. 1, 2. Then you put that little bit in, and it will go into the other section, other third of the braid that you made. 1, 2. Now that part is loose now, and you're gonna put another section in, another braid in. Feed it again between your thumb and your index finger. 1 and 2. Then you're gonna feed that in, and it's gonna go wherever, because each section already have some sort of braid in there. Yes, you could turn it over and start plaiting it or braiding it now if you're feeling comfortable, or you can continue as how your hand was set before. All right, you're gonna put more hair in as you see fit under the braid that you had. Plait 1 and 2 so that the braid is more secure. You have to make sure it's secure before you feed it more, or else it will fall out, right? And notice it's getting bigger and bigger as you feed more hair in, and that's how you get your knotless, right? Now you always have to detangle each time you're plaiting, because it's gonna be so tangled at the end, as you see right now. Always detangle it as you go along, right? Now if you see that some braids, some section have more hair than the other, you can take some from any section so that everything will blend in and be evenly distributed. All right, try to plait straight out to the ends, and yeah, continue to detangle as you see fit, and that's how you do it. Now I'm going to do a few more, speeding it up, slowing it down, so that you could see exactly how it's done. And yeah, watch the whole process. The more you watch is the more you will see it, and then you can rewind if you feel like you didn't get it, and fast forward if don't fast forward, watch the whole video, support your girl, but watch this video as much as you can, or as much as you need to, so that you could see how the process is done. All right, so you're going to end it by looping it around your big finger and your index finger and dragging it through, and that's how you end it. All right, so I won't draw you out anymore. Just watch the rest of the video and you'll see how it's done. I'm done talking. All right, so at the top, okay, one last thing. At the top, I'm doing it in triangle because you want the look of style. All right, so that's exactly why I did the top in triangles. Okay. So we're all done, and right now I'm just dipping the ends in some hot water, and yeah, to smooth the ends out and trim the ends off the braids if they have knots. And that's about it. You do your edges and you make sure that everything's sleek and nice, right? And you doll up your face, and if you want to, you could put it in a ponytail, you could put it in any style you want to, all right? And that's how you do it, right? Oh, don't forget your mousse if you want to have everything all polished and all that, and a bag of chips. It's a holding mousse, so any hair that is out, it will be, you know, smooth in. All right, don't my model look cute? Thank you so much, guys, for your support, for your love. Thank you so much. You don't know how much I smile when I see that you guys love what I'm doing for you, because you know it takes time, it takes effort, and I try to put out as much video as I can for you guys, because I just want to share what is on my heart with you. All right, so I love you so much for that. Thank you so much for that.